Starting around 31 October 2023, Ethereum is exchanging at $1,786.02 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67% in most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. ETH in every practical sense has a sort of complete market cap of $214,804,189,263, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,676,154,610, which generally is genuinely huge. This for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, positioning at 2 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Ethereum a kind of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ETH value sort of outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? These sort of are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, exhibiting the way in which this explicitly makes Ethereum, ETH, extremely positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to be $2,048.41, which by and large is very huge. Besides, ETH can truly arrive at a really greatest value level of $2,335.71, so will ETH value sort of outperform its unequaled for the most part high in an in every practical sense, large way. ETH value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum in every practical sense is determined to especially be at around an extremely least worth of $1,737.18 in an all things considered significant way. The Ethereum value worth can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $1,974.90, with the sort of typical exchanging, while the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1,996.84, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is determined to sort of be at around a by and large least worth of $1,945.35 in an unobtrusive manner. The Ethereum value worth can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $2,150.77, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars in a sort of enormous way. ETH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum certainly is determined to in every practical sense be at around an especially least worth of $2,004.37, pretty further appearance how while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1,996.84, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Ethereum value worth can essentially arrive at an extremely limit of $2,252.61, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum especially is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $2,335.71 and a truly least of $2,048.41, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been fundamentally diminished by 0.21% in its truly current worth, which really is very huge. Assuming we basically think about the essentially current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, or so they really thought. Ethereum especially is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which by and large is very critical. The ETH generally is down to nearly 1.38% in the especially most recent 7 days, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for essentially past in every practical sense, hardly any days. The coin could truly have most areas of strength for certainly at the same time, we don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH truly diminished by 5.424%, killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $102.43 from its genuinely current worth, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a by and large great basically purchase a valuable open door for extremely fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change especially is around 12.29%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a base fundamentally normal cost of $1,539.51 to for the most part greatest by and large normal cost of $1,647.19 in the in every way that really matters recent days, exhibiting how Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the ETH cost by and large is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal truly least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the very current year ought to for the most part be $2,048.41, which is genuinely huge. In especially most recent 4 months Ethereum truly has shown a developing pattern in a really significant manner. Consequently, we generally feel that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which explicitly demonstrates the way that the Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $2,150.77, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, in an unpretentious way. As per irrefutably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum basically is expanded from 4 months amazingly. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, showing that Ethereum ETH value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum is especially anticipated to basically arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $2,335.71 and a truly least of $2,048.41. Or so they essentially thought. The coin in a real sense is up by 26.09%, with the genuinely most extreme essentially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $1,207.02, and the very least beautiful typical cost of explicitly was around $1,191.63 in fundamentally beyond 4 months in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum Value Gauge 2023 Facts: What will really be Ethereum in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? The ETH cost essentially is gauged to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme degree of $2,335.71, with a